Good morning, guys. It is Tuesday. I was about to say December. It is definitely January 22nd. It's currently 10:30. We're running late, but when are we not running late? We're heading to Tampa. I am getting my hair done. It is no longer going to be blonde, and as you can probably already tell by the title, you knew it was going to be a hair video. But anyways, before we go get my hair done, we're going to go stop at our old apartments, pick up a couple packages we have there, and see our friends and their adorable little puppy named Pearl. She's a golden doodle. We're excited. I'm really nervous about my hair, though. I'm really nervous. I've always had blonde hair. I'm naturally platinum blonde. Well, I was before I lost my hair, and then it came back, like the color of my eyebrows is darker, like ashy blonde, and the color of my roots. But I'm not going to be blonde at the end of this video. I'm excited because I've always wanted to do something different, but I'm nervous because it's something different, and I'm slightly a little insecure. But at the same time, I'm not insecure. I'm feeling confident about it, but I'm also a little I wonder what people are gonna say. But at the end of the day, it's like, Cheyann, who the hell cares? No offense to y'all, but who the hell cares what people think? Because it's something I wanna do. So yeah, future Cheyann editing this, you got this, girl. And whoever's watching this, you got this, girl. And you got this, boy. Okay, I digress. Let's go.
Every time that my mind slips, I just see my past life. Having dreams in a dream, I wonder why I carried on with the things that made you lose your mind. There's no way I can undo what I've done. Can we be straight?
To Tribeca Salon. This is where I get my hair done, down here in downtown Tampa at the on Kennedy. There's two salons, but my girl Justine is about to do some work on my hair, and I'm excited. I'm nervous, and let's go.
Bitches. Do you think it'd be good?
I think so.
Hopefully you don't embarrass the family.
Can we be strangers again, start fresh like a morning? What's so bad about that? So why won't you follow? Why won't you follow me home? I know I can't make you mine. Yes, I ran out of time. There's no hope for me. I fell down the bottom, so I fell down way deep. But if I can't have the real you, then let me make a 3D print of you, 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 of you. All my friends keep on saying that I'm better off alone. They don't know what it feels like, but I do. So you faded out while I watched it down, obsessed with myself. Wanna hit the reverse on what's broken. Can we be strangers again, start fresh like a morning? What's so bad about that? So why won't you follow? Why won't you follow me home? I know I can't make you mine. Yes, I ran out of time. There's no hope for me. I fell down the bottom, so I fell down way deep. But if I can't have the real you, then let me make a 3D print of you.
Next morning, and I woke up with some mermaid hair. I love it. People wanted to kind of see what my hair looks like when my hand runs through it. I don't know how the heck to do that, but this is my hair in natural lighting, and I freaking love it. So it is like a blue purple gray. We did this thing called Crazy Color. I think that's the brand. This is a semi-permanent color, so every 6 weeks I will go back to get it touched up and brightened up. I also have conditioner. I have to leave in my hair for about 10 minutes every like 3rd or 4th wash to really make the purple just pop, and yeah, I love it. I feel like a new woman. I feel like such a badass, and I won't lie, y'all know I was nervous as hell to get my hair done because I was just nervous about what other people were gonna think, and I finally realized that I need to stop living for y'all, no offense, but living for y'all and others, and start living for myself, and I'm so glad I did it. I was nervous, but it turned out great, better than I ever imagined, and yeah. So I'm gonna go eat because it's the next day. I forgot to end this last night, and I have to pack for Boston because I'm leaving for Boston tomorrow, so y'all are gonna have some travel vlogs. I don't know though if it's gonna be 1 vlog or 2 vlogs, so if you wanna see like one longer-ish vlog, let me know, or if you wanna see 2 vlogs, if you wanna see 2 vlogs, travel vlogs, let me know as well down below. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Love you. Bye.